I remember the day when I encountered the nature man. I was traveling the path before me, looking at all the nature around me, from the big rocks to the tall cliffs, observing the beauty of nature. That is when I encountered the nature man, who was taking shelter among the cliff in a tight enclosement with only a few rocks and logs. I asked him, "How come you're in such a small enclosure?" He said, "Small enclosures are a perfect shelter for the smallest of creatures to survive." He then joined me on the path. As we walked over the rocky hill, we encountered the river, and there the philosophy of life came from him. Life has its many stops, as rivers do. Very calm times and rough times. Rivers are long just like lives are long. And sometimes there are curves, but we still get through it. And lo, that's how life is. And that was when we decided to go our separate ways. The nature man.